My chicks are 8 days old today. Just cleaned their cage. Let you see how crazy they get about getting out of that little box. Here they come. Everybody out? Okay. New food for you to root around in. Watch, they'll start kicking it about. They're already kicking it all over the place. Their feathers started coming in at about 3 days. And at 8 days, this is what we've got. The 3 yellow ones are Buff Orpingtons. They will get to be 8 pounds. The black ones are Barred Rock or Plymouth Rock. They'll get to be about 7.5 pounds. Got a runt in each one of the colors. The buffs are a lot friendlier. They don't freak out when you try and hold them. And standard bully attitude, we've got one that's a little bit of a bully. That one back in the corner. She's the biggest freak when it comes to touching her. She doesn't want humans touching her, but she'll be a bully to the rest of them. Okay, back up so you can watch him kick it about. Go crazy. And they make these noises all night long. Within a half hour, 45 minutes, all that food will be kicked out of the bowl. Then I have to reach in and grab a hold of the paper toweling and kind of bring it up from the edges so that they got some to kick around again. It's fun to watch them stretch their legs or flap their wings. That little black girl, she likes to try and get up on top of that clock. So they're trying to do the roosting thing already. In the middle of the night, she was busy trying to do that. I thought she was trying to get out of the box. Black one is falling asleep, standing up. No. Every once in a while she'll wake up. It's crazy how they kick their food all over the place when it's brand new food. They do the cleaning and the preening all day long. If they're not eating, they're sleeping. If they're not doing that, they're preening. Look how much they've already got kicked out. It's only been 6 minutes since I've opened up their box. Look at how much they've already kicked out. Yes, I'm looking at you. Look. See? Come see. Come see. What is this strange thing in your box? Come check it out. You know you're curious, you want to see it. See, those little buffs are not too afraid.